Today I'll be answering the question, what is content marketing? So content marketing is the process of researching your niche, your market, and researching your audience, defining goals, creating a publishing strategy, and creating valuable and relevant content, and then sharing that content to attract and build an audience. The ultimate goal is to create helpful content for people who are going to be the most likely to purchase your products or your services. The goal really consistently create and share content, builds a relationship with your existing audience, and converts prospects into customers. So if we come up here, you can see it's the process of doing research, coming up with goals, measuring data to see how well you are actually achieving your goals, coming up with a strategy, creating content that follows the strategy you created, publishing content, marketing your content, improving it, and then repeating this process and continuously improving this to really give yourself the best possible chance to convert more prospects into customers. So we're going to start with a quick example here. I'm going to use Titleist. Titleist is a golf company. They sell golf clubs, golf balls, apparel, golf accessories. Basically, if you're a golfer, you can go to Titleist.com and purchase every single thing you need to consistently golf every single day. So in order to reach golfers and promote their products, they create free instructional videos, and then they also highlight all the successful golfers that use their golf balls and their equipment. So they're not only creating helpful content to educate amateur golfers, they're also showing them how Titleist products can improve their game. So if I come to Titleist website right now, you can see we have balls, clubs, and gear. So these are the products that they sell. Now, if I come over here to instruction, you're going to see they have all of these different videos at the top that I can click. We can see all of the videos. Scroll down, they have a featured instruction here. Welcome to Titleist instruction. So all of these different instructors are using Titleist products and showing golfers how to improve their game. Now, to take it a step further, Titleist will also write articles like this of the golfer who just won the most recent tournament using one of their products, the Pro V1 golf ball, to earn his first PGA Tour title, go inside the win, and a lot of times they'll go over, here are all the different Titleist products that the best golfers in the world are using. So here's the golfer that is ranked number 1 in the world, and he used a Pro V1 golf ball, a specific product that Titleist sells, to win a recent championship and become the world number 1 player. Now, the other thing they have here is Team Titleist. So when we come here, you can join Team Titleist completely free, get access to membership, exclusive product experiences, events, sweepstakes, and more. You can see all of these at the top. But as we scroll down, they have a forum where people who are part of Team Titleist will actually talk to each other. And not only do they have content to promote their products, they have content to go over how successful players are using their products. They also allow other golfers to come here, and they build a community of people that continuously communicate with each other as well. So coming back over here, if Titleist didn't do any of that, this is why content marketing is important. It's not about promoting your products or services directly, but really you're trying to educate your audience, build trust, and establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry. So by providing that valuable content, you can attract potential customers, convert them into loyal advocates for your brand. Now, the next is going to be a marketing company that we probably all know, and that's Ahrefs. So Ahrefs does a great job creating really helpful content for people, and in the process, they're able to actually promote Ahrefs, the product. So if we come over here to their website, you can see under resources, they have an academy, get better at digital marketing with our free video courses. So some really good video courses here, and a lot of it is going to be, here's how to do SEO, and along the way, here's how to use Ahrefs to improve your SEO. So if we come over to this next page, you can see this is the Ahrefs blog. The very first blog post that I'm looking at right here, the 9 best keyword research tools. If we come over here, you're going to see the best free keyword research tools. Number 1 is Keyword Generator. That is a free Ahrefs product. It's going to show up to 150 keyword ideas. And ultimately, the goal is to get people to say, this is a really good tool. Maybe I'm going to try Ahrefs myself. As we scroll down, another product here, Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. So there's different ways that they can actually incorporate some of their free tools to get people to actually upgrade to their paid tools. For example, the free Keyword Generator here. Now, in addition to all of this, you can also see under resources, they have the Beginner's Guide to SEO. If we scroll down here, it's basically a book about search engine optimization. And the ultimate goal here is to teach people SEO who are beginners and to help people understand that Ahrefs is a very helpful product for people who are trying to get the most out of their marketing strategy. Now, last but not least, opening up their YouTube channel, 394,000 subscribers, 268 videos. So they do a lot of content related to SEO, keyword research, content marketing, so make money blogging, link building tactics. All of these different things are things where Ahrefs can actually enhance your strategy. So by creating really helpful videos, they can also promote their product along the way. I can tell you with certainty for my own business that this Google Ads tutorial from 2020, now I've done updated Google Ads tutorial along the way, but 242,000 views. This tutorial is showing people exactly how to create their own Google Ads campaigns. But what's happened is a lot of business owners will start watching this and say, rather than me trying to learn this, let me go to somebody who already knows this, and they will contact me for Google Ads help. So this is one way to use content to actually reach people who are actively looking to use Google Ads for their own business. My third example is Red Bull, and Red Bull is a company that really just creates a ton of content all around extreme sports and really any type of active sports and active things that people do. If we come over here to Red Bull's website, just on the homepage of redbull.com, you're going to see we have surfing here. We have landing a plane on the world's smallest runway, so aerobatic flying, larger than life, so this is snowboarding. If we come over here, you're going to see speedway, so racing. So there's all sorts of different sports here and athletes highlighted. And even if you look at the very top of Red Bull's website, TV, events, athletes, and then all the way over here is products. It's not even the very first thing that they're promoting. They're really promoting the Red Bull brand, which is about being active and energetic. Now they have a website that's just redbullcontentpool.com, and this is just all of the different content that Red Bull creates around all of the different sports where they have sponsorships or sponsored athletes. If we come over to their YouTube channel, 11.2 million subscribers, 5.8 thousand videos. The video that they just had featured on their website, it's only a 2-minute video. It's 1.3 million views in 6 days. So they get a ton of views, and what they're able to do is show people living a very active lifestyle, people who are in great shape. And the whole goal is to say, I associate Red Bull with these athletes. Now, if we come over here to kind of finalize the Red Bull content. Now, Red Bull has TV where you could basically just watch Red Bull content all day long. But this is just a list from chartable.com of the podcast that Red Bull owns. So if we scroll down here, these are all the different podcasts that Red Bull owns. Now, they're not going here and saying, hey, you need to drink Red Bull energy drinks. They're basically saying, here's a bunch of active people. Here's a bunch of really energetic people doing really cool things. We want you to associate all of that with Red Bull. So coming over here, if you want to get started with content marketing, you're trying to come up with a content strategy to reach your target audience and solve their problems. So Ahrefs does a great job at that, at reaching people who are going to be interested in Ahrefs by saying, here's how to do local keyword research. If you want to find the best possible keywords for your local market, use Ahrefs and we'll give you not only the best keywords for your market, but the very best keywords specifically for you to help you drive more revenue for your business. You want to target keywords that represent problems your target audience is facing. You want to create content and formats your target audience interacts with, and you want to publish content and share it where your target audience is. That's ultimately the goal of content marketing. The more helpful, useful, and relevant your content is, the more that you're going to be able to actually drive more customers to your business. Now, the most important part of content marketing is it is a long-term strategy. It requires patience, dedication, and consistency. So the companies that I have been showing you have been around for years. So they've been creating content and publishing their content for years to actually promote their products. It's not some quick fix. It's not a one-time campaign. It's not a goal of going viral. It's a goal of continuously creating content and building that relationship with your audience. And what you want to do is create clear objectives. What we're trying to do is build our YouTube channel to over 100,000 subscribers. So we need to create these types of content to reach people who are going to watch our YouTube videos. So you need to consistently refine your content strategy to actually reach your objectives. And as you're coming up with a content strategy, here are some really important questions to ask yourself. Who is your target audience? What types of content should you create? Should you create blog posts? Should you create videos? Should you create podcasts? Should you create infographics? Should you write ebooks? Should you create white papers? There's all sorts of different content that people interact with. Mostly, you're going to write blog posts and you're going to create corresponding videos. Where should you publish this content? How can you repurpose your content to reach people on different channels? How can you achieve your goals with content? How often are you publishing? And what are the top keywords for your business? Obviously, much larger companies, it's very easy to implement a full content marketing strategy that's across all these different channels. So if you're a small business, you don't have the resources of a very large corporation, you need to focus on, here are the best ways to reach my target audience. I'm going to write blog posts, I'm going to create videos, and I'm going to share them on YouTube, on my blog. I'm going to share them on Facebook and Instagram. Maybe I'll create some short videos and push them out to Instagram and on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts. And that is going to be my content strategy. So create a content strategy that fits the best with your business. And then content marketing is really tying it all together. Creation, publishing, marketing, and then continuously repeating this process to reach your objectives. So if you have any questions about content marketing and the process of actually creating the best possible content for your audience to convert prospects into customers, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.